Hello, hi, good evening. Now I'm going to show you how to place mechanical or plumbing equipment. It's nothing but the water heater or the water tank. These items are coming under plumbing equipment or mechanical equipment. And even the chiller also comes under the mechanical equipment or plumbing equipment. So if it has a pipe connector, then it's called a plumbing equipment. It's, at the same time, it's a mechanical equipment. It's a chiller. It's a mechanical equipment. Okay, so don't get confused. It's the same. Okay, and how to change pipe fittings? How to change pipe fittings? I'm going to show you. Then I will be showing you how to place pipe accessories. Okay, let's go to the Revit. Let's go to Revit, and now I'm going to show you how to place the plumbing equipment, pipe accessory, and how to change fittings. Okay, so we should not get confused when we are taking a plumbing equipment or plumbing fixture. Okay, so even though it is the same, we have different tools to place plumbing equipment, plumbing fixture, and sprinkler. Okay, so you need to know in which tool what we can load. Okay, for example, I'm going to place a water heater. Okay, so if I take a plumbing fixture and if I search for water heater, we don't get it. Okay, but if I take a plumbing equipment, and here you see water heater is available, so we have to use the right tool to place the right component. Okay, so that's one thing. Once you place, you can use a space bar to turn. Can you see I'm using space bar? Okay, and in case if you want to adjust the height, so here you can adjust the height, elevation from level. So from the level you can adjust the height. Okay, so in case if you want to make sure that the elevation is correct, then you better take a section. So here is the equipment, just to take a section and then change the height 3 feet. In case if you want to use a dimension, you can use a dimension. You might say, so this level supposed to be 4 feet, then that's okay, that's good. You can do that. Select, edit the text. You can update the dimension and it will update the model. Easy. Okay, if I go to systems, in plumbing fixture, what and all I can load? You can load sink, water closet, tubs, drain, and other appliances. So this is for appliances. Okay, so what we use directly. So these are hidden, so the user will not touch it. Okay, and this one for sprinkler. So for firefighting, they have given a special tool that's for sprinkler. So with the sprinkler, you can load only sprinkler. If you don't know what is a sprinkler, don't worry. So that's for commercial building. Okay, so plumbing fixture can load water closet and other loadable item. So if you select type selector, if you use a type selector, you can see what are the families you can load from plumbing fixture. Okay, so that's about the plumbing equipment, plumbing fixture, and sprinkler. Now I'm going to show you how to use pipe accessory or how to place pipe accessory. So what is a pipe accessory? So you can see here pipe accessory, so which includes connector, valve, so inline water heater, and whatever comes in between the pipe. So that's a uh, pipe accessory, but this is not a pipe fitting. Pipe fitting is different and accessory is different. The top one is pipe fitting. Pipe fitting means for bending, uh, so what, and for connections whatever you use, that's a pipe fitting. Okay, so if you take pipe fitting and if you're looking for a valve, you don't find it. You don't find it. Okay, so you have to use the right tool for the right family. Okay, so here we have a pipe valve. So I'm going to show you how to place the valve. Because I am in 3D. See, when I place, I should get the right orientation. Otherwise, it's not snapping to the pipe. Okay, so if I select, and you can see I just placed. In the plan also you can place. Go to the plan. Okay, so this is our pipe. So nobody will nobody will put a valve in inside a wall. I'm just showing you for an example. Okay, take pipe accessory and select wall, and you see here now the orientation is wrong. Don't place, you just rotate. So when you just move your cursor around, it will rotate, it will adjust to the right orientation, then click. Okay, so now it is placed. In case if you want to change the size, you can change the size. Actual size actually depends on the pipe size. Okay, and should be very careful with the uh, type. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to uh, change the fitting, how to place a fitting. Okay, so if I go to view, 3D view, so see, you can see here, this is a T, right? T fitting, this is a fitting, T fitting. So in case if you want to add a cross, then we have an option to add a pipe. You can add a pipe. Now it's a cross. You can do minus. So in case if you want to change the direction, you can change the direction here, but it doesn't work with all the family, because so if it is suitable, then it will accept, otherwise it will give an error. Okay, so now in case if you want to change anything, so you can change only from the list. You can't just change what's not there in the list. Okay, now you know how to change the fittings. So here we have standard and a plain PVC and CA. So there's a difference between these fittings, and you can see here soldered. This is soldered family type. This is plain, and this is your plain PI cast iron. So you can change, the material matters a lot. Okay, so you be sure which family you use. Right, so now you know how to place plumbing equipment, plumbing fixture, and uh, sprinkler. Okay, and you also know how to place pipe accessory and how to change the fittings. In case if you want to add a fitting at the end of the pipe, okay, so you can go to systems and take fitting, and from here you can select, so whatever you want you can select a stop, and you can just place. The direction is wrong. Okay, in case if you want to add a T, you can add a T. Select, once you place, select, and you can rotate. You can add a T, like that you can add. So in case if you want to load any family, in case if you're loading any family, go to insert, you can load family. Okay, so you don't know what is where, so let's go to pipe. So pipe related families are in the pipe, and plumbing equipment fixtures are in the plumbing folder. If you go to plumbing, we have two, So if you are working with the routing, better go for MEP family. And fixtures, you find fixtures and equipment. Fixtures, if you go, so you'll get a bathroom uh, items, sink, urinals, everything you'll get here. So these are called fixtures. Equipment, water heater, pump, and connector. In case if you're looking for pipe accessory, go to pipe folder, pipe accessory, pipe fitting, and valve. What is valve and what is a accessory? So both are same. Valves are coming under accessories. Okay, so we don't have any other tool to place valve. Okay, with accessories you'll get valve also. Okay, in case if you are loading from Autodesk family cloud, so in case if you're searching for pipe accessory and you're getting some result, but you see here air separator, this is accessory. And if you come down, expansion joint, this is actually fitting. Okay, this is a fitting. If you load, you see the expansion joint. For example, if I go to systems, pipe accessory, and if I search for expansion joint, so you don't get it. So that's actually a fitting. Go to pipe fitting, expansion joint, 15 mm, and this is your pipe fitting. Okay, so you just have to understand what is what, and just to do some trial, and so you will have a better idea. Okay, I hope now you have understood about placing the plumbing equipment, plumbing fixture, and sprinkler. So you also have a better idea about pipe fitting and pipe accessory. The last one is flex pipe. Flex pipe also a pipe, but usually the pipes are straight lines. Flex pipes will have a flexibility in a bend. Okay, if you don't have enough room to connect the two pipe, you can use flex pipe. Okay, thank you. That's all for now. In case if you're having any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.